I keep talking about thematic ETFs really ruling the day, and Global X is one of the big leaders in thematic, particularly tech-based thematic ETFs. We've seen things this year like the video games ETF Hero, the social media ETF SOCL Social, the cloud computing ETF CLOU. I can go on and on. You go in all of these. Even lithium. This is electric vehicles is up. Fintech is up. Robotics and artificial intelligence is up. No matter what, these are all controlled by you. What is it about the zeitgeist that this is captured? Is this just exclusively a work from home story? Because this has been going on, in my mind, before we even had the COVID issue.
That's exactly right. I mean, many of these themes are themes that we identified 3-4 years ago, and we see as multi-decade themes. They're not just a flash in the pan because of COVID-19. They're themes that we expect to continue to grow through the 2020s and 2030s. What we see, however, is that COVID-19 has been an accelerant for many of these themes. There was already a lot of people that shopped online, but people had no choice but to shop online in March and April under stay-at-home orders. And there was a lot of people playing video games, but people had nothing else to do, and there was no live sports, couldn't go outside, and suddenly you had a lot more people being drawn into video games. So when you look across a lot of these themes, you see that they've already been on these very strong organic growth trajectories, but COVID-19 really changed people's habits and accelerated the adoption of these themes such that growth is going much faster than we originally anticipated.
Yeah, and even, Todd, things like solar energy, little byways of ESG. We'll get in that in a few minutes. But the important thing is even other thematic ETFs, as long as they're tech-oriented, have really been doing very well.
Yeah,
technology is...
Todd, I was passing you. Go ahead, Todd.
Yeah, we're certainly seeing a wide range of these. So Global X has a great suite of these products, but we've seen some other firms with similarly strong performance with different exposures tied to robotics, tied to cybersecurity. CIBR from First Trust is an example that comes to mind that's performing very well. You are getting a very growth-oriented tilt with these, and they fill a nice hole as opposed to trying to pick individual winners on a stock perspective. You get that benefit of diversification using ETFs.